Hey guys, how you doing? So we have the Kingbolen K8 Pro here, and I want to show you a feature that you can use this scan tool for to diagnose your high pressure fuel injectors on GM vehicles. This is a 2021 GM Chevrolet Silverado, got the 5.3 liter engine, and we're going to go in here into the ECM actuation test, fuel system. Now, there's a few different things that you can do here to check your fuel system, but what we're going to do is the fuel injector balance test. So I'm going to hit that. Need to start the engine. And I'm going to come over here to more data stream, more DS. I'm going to click that. It is pre-selected all 8 cylinders. If it's not pre-selected, you can select individual ones, or you can do select all, and it'll select them all. Hit OK. And what we're going to do is we're going to go down through here, and we're going to hit each cylinder and watch a pressure drop. So whenever you do this, the computer on the truck is going to pulse the injector an exact amount of time. It's going to measure the pressure drop in the fuel rail. So I'm going to hit cylinder 1, 18.85. We'll go to cylinder 2. You do want to wait a few seconds just to make sure that the fuel pressure in the fuel rail has stabilized. Cylinder 3. Cylinder 4. Five. And last but not least, cylinder 8. Now the manual tells you to get the average pressure drop of each cylinder on each bank. So this engine is a V8, so it's got 2 banks, bank 1 and bank 2. The cylinders on bank 1 are 1, 3, 5, and 7. And you can actually notice that all 3 of those, or all 4 of those cylinders have slightly lower pressures, pressure drops, than bank 2. So what we're going to do, so I'm just going to draw a V8 engine. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is a GM V8 in this engine. And what the book wants you to do is get the average pressure on bank 1 and bank 2. So, and I just round up. So 18.85 is going to be 19. 19 plus 20 plus 20 again for 5, and 7 is going to be 20 also. That's 79. I want to divide that by 4. That gives 20. I'm just going to, again, I'm going to round this. I'm just going to say 20 PSI was the average pressure drop for bank 1. Clear that out. Now we're going to go to cylinder 2. We're going to put in 34 plus 35 for number 4. Number 6 is 30. Number 8 is 36 plus 36. So that's 135. We're going to divide that by 4. That's 33.7 was the average pressure drop. Now I'm just going to put 33. Now you're going to take each one of these averages. Since we're already on 33.75, I'm going to multiply that by 0.20 or 0.2, and that 6.75 is the average variance, or not average, but the variance that each cylinder on bank 2 can be within. So plus or minus 6.75. Bank 1 is going to be 20 multiplied by 0.2 is 4. So 4 for 20. So basically what that means is, since the average was 20 on bank 1, we can be at 24 or 16. And cylinder 1's at 18.85, so that's within that. Tolerance, cylinder 3's at 20, cylinder 5's at 19.72, and cylinder 7's at 20. So they're all within plus or minus 4 of 20 psi. This one would be plus or minus 6.75 from 33. So, and you can see that we're all within that spec on bank 2. Now, obviously, if you had a cylinder, for instance, if cylinder 1 was down at 10 and all the others was at 20, or 25 or whatever, you could instantly look and see that cylinder 1 injector was losing a lot more fuel, causing a lot more fuel pressure drop during the test, which would indicate that injector has issues. So, and likewise, if you had a pressure drop of literally 0, that would tell you that injector's not doing nothing. It's stuck closed, or it's stuck to where it's not causing any kind of a pressure drop at all. So ideally what you want is all of them to be even. And the reason bank 1 and bank 2 has different averages is because the pressure sensor is not right in the middle for both fuel rails. So that's what that's all about. Anyway, this is the Kingbolen K8, just showing how to do a fuel injection pressure balance on a GM. This particular engine's a 5.3 liter Silverado. Anyway, we're done. You guys take care. We'll see you.